boys and girls, we're going to be doing some work with animals and their offspring today, and talking about animals that resemble their offspring. So before we start, we need to have a look at some of the vocab that we're going to be using. The first word we're going to be using is resemble, and that means it looks the same. So when I say an animal resembles its offspring, it means it looks the same as it. And the next word that's a little bit confusing is offspring. It means it's the babies of something. So if I say a frog's offspring, it means a frog's babies. If I say a horse's offspring, it means a horse's baby. So the resemble means it looks the same, and offspring means it is the baby of something. So the first thing we have is the owl, and it resembles its offspring, the owlet. So they look the same. So the owl has a baby, an owlet, it hatches out of the egg and it looks the same as the adult. Next one is the lion, and its lion cub looks the same. The cow resembles a calf. The dolphin resembles its calf. Elephant resembles a calf. Hen resembles a chick. Bird resembles a chick. Horse resembles a foal. And all of those animals look the same as their offspring. So they resemble their offspring. They look the same as their babies. So now you're going to do this animal match. You have these photos cut up in a Ziploc bag in your pack this week. You need to sort them out and match the adult with its baby, with its offspring. And you need to match them. And this one's pretty different from tomorrow's because they look the same. So you need to find the ones that look the same, and tomorrow we're going to be the ones that look different. So finding the ones that look the same and putting them together. Then you're going to choose one of these animals and do a Venn diagram on it. So over in the first part of the diagram, you're going to be say what's different about the adult animal you chose. Then you're going to have a look in the middle, what's the same about both of the adult and the offspring that you chose. And then over on the other side, what's different about the baby or the animal that you chose. And writing down your answers in your Venn diagram. All right, I hope to see you later, boys and girls.